India vs Pakistan T20 World Cup 2026. Match details, date, time and venue. India playing 11. Number 1 Abhishek Sharma. Number 2 Ishan Kishan. Number 3 Tilak Verma. Number 4 Surya Kumar Yadav. Number 5 Hardik Pandya. Number 6 Rinku Singh. Number 7 Shivam Dube. Number 8 Akshar Patel. Number 9 Varun Chakraborty. Number 10 Arshdeep Singh. Number 11 Mohammad Siraj. Pakistan playing 11. Number 1 Shahib Zada Farhan. Number 2 Saim Ayub. Number 3 Fakar Zaman. Number 4 Salman Ali Agha. Number 5 Usman Khan. Number 6 Shadab Khan. Number 7 Mohammad Nawaz. Number 8 Fahim Ashraf. Number 9 Shaheen Afridi. Number 10 Abrar Ahmed. Number 11 Salman Mirza. Thanks for watching more video.